strawberry cheesecake.
Thank you.
You guys have a great day.
You too.
You're right. Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dave from Arkansas Outdoor Explorer, and today we're going to do this trail. It's on the Arkansas Motorcycle Trail book. I'll leave a link in the description. You can order one for free and have it sent directly to your mailbox. So this trail right here is Trail 18, and it goes from Mountain View up to Bull Shoals, and it makes a circle back down to Mountain View. So we're going to be taking 66 to Highway 14, and this is a pretty awesome road. It's got a lot of twisties and curves. It's hot. We're right here in Mountain View, and we done got us a belly full of ice cream, and we're about to hit the road and see what this trail has to offer. Okay, guys, let's get into it. We got a few hour trip. Alright guys, when you're on this trail number 18 on the Arkansas Motorcycle Trail Guide, get the book and the link in the description below. You will find to the left as you're going north, or rather west, there's a spring, and it's got a pipe going inside this this cliff side, and it has some amazing freaking fresh water. It is so good and cold. We're going to bottle up some. I'll show y'all how clear it is. Look at that, guys. Oh. Yes. That is so good. That is amazing. Alright. We're going to bottle this up. We're going to get back to it. Man, guys, you know, when you're in a vehicle and you got a destination, you're like, dang, are we there yet? Because it takes so long. It seems like. But when you're on two wheels, it's like, it doesn't matter. It's like time stops. Oh, man. So this is a little treat that's just off of Highway 14. This is not part of the trail, but it is right close to it. So you do have to ride on gravel just for a little bit. I mean, it's just like maybe 100 feet and you can pull over to right here. But this is the ghost town of Rush. There's a lot of history behind this. We'll go over it as we walk through, but this is definitely awesome place to stop, cool off, and check out the historic, especially for this route. All right, guys. All right, I got the bike all buttoned up, got the handlebars locked. I'm gonna hop in the Jeep and we're gonna cross the creek, and then we're gonna do the, I guess, the trail that leads to the old blacksmith, and tells a little bit more of the history on the trail. So let's get into it. Alright guys, a little bit of a history on this Rush Mining. It's a ghost town, and they thought that it was a lot of silver up here. They come to find out that it was just zinc. And so here's the story that was posted up. It says, rich zinc ore discovered in this valley brought hundreds of people here in hopes of fortune. During the late 1800s and early 1900s, miners worked in 15 different mines composing the Rush mining district. In its heyday, more than 2,000 men and women and children crowded the Rush area, living in tents, shacks, boarding houses, and hotels. Beneath the whir and clang of the mines and mill communities slept, ate, toiled, and played, their population size embedded and flowered with the price of zinc. This right here is the old blacksmith shop. And so a little bit of cool thing about this, I guess they had reopened this site in 1925, and it opened from 1925 to 1931. And the guy that operated it was Lee Midley, and he kept his blacksmith forge burning hot during its time. But in 1931, trucks had took the team and wagons. It took the work to the point to where there was not enough blacksmith work here to justify him to keep the shop open. So the story is he closed up, left everything here, and he just went farming, and that's how he made his living from then on. But could you imagine if, like, you know, I've said it time again, you got all these historic places out here supposedly preserved, and I don't know why we don't come and fix stuff up and, like, you know, have events and do reenactments and stuff. Like right here, once was a company store and office. It's no longer there. But, you know, this is a pretty cool spot. You got them walking sticks, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, lizard. This is actually really pretty, but definitely not kid friendly.
From the mine.
Yeah, because look at this mine right here. Oh, but you can feel the breeze from the mine.
This is what they need to do a tour at right here.
Yeah.
They need to let us go in this one.
But you can feel the breeze from that mine.
Mm-hmm.
Feels nice. It's another reason why I think no to kids. This is very slick rocks. It is very dangerous. Look at that drop off.
Well, that's where we were heading.
All right. Going the wrong way. Just be sure to follow the white trail markers, or you will go down the wrong trail.
And they probably won't be fun for us neither. Oh, look at that. You missed it, Carrie.
What? Oh, like a animal jaw.
Yeah.
Maybe a possum.
That looks too big for a possum. I don't think I want to do the morning start trailhead again.
So when you get to the other parking area, you come to this sign that shows you where to go on this other end. Alright, so we're at the other entrance for the other hiking area. Okay, it tells you, and then it gives you the mileage, and it tells you no pets. Okay, so I was wondering about this area to see if it had bathroom amenities. Now let me trip over a rock before I show you something. Okay, so there is one bathroom right here. And I think it is just like a porta potty. I'm not gonna go in there, obviously, but I think it's just like a porta potty. It's just a one stall. And then over here is a picnic area. I guess they had problems with people camping because it's not a camping area. But this is one of those that I would say that is an all-day trip if you're gonna do all the things. But you see there's picnic tables, right? There's some information, things that you need to know around the area, and then some other information. But yeah, so if you're wondering about the amenities here, and there's also a place over here, if you can see it, it's to dump your trash. Okay, there's a dumpster right here, so please, there is areas to dump your trash. Please take your trash and put it in a designated area. Don't throw it on the ground.
It's going to wrap up our trip on the Highway 14, the 18th route on the Arkansas Motorcycle Trip Guide. We're at Cotter. We just went over the bridge. It was freaking beautiful. This is their scenic lookout over the White River, and we're going to call that a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell, and we're going to do a series of these Arkansas motorcycle routes. There's quite a bit of them, so stick around for those videos. Also, there's 52 state parks that we're also going to do a series on, so also stick around for that as well. Like always, peace and be safe.